Hey guys, it's Austin. I'm here at Leatherhead today, my favorite local leather supply shop, and today we're gonna pick out some leather. Let's go inside and check it out.
I'm doing a whole different thing. I'm doing this. I don't want to copy off of it totally.
But you like the...
I like the silhouette. What we'll do with color this in.
Are you hand carving that yourself?
Yeah. It's on the desk over there.
Me and my wife have been doing research, and I've been showing her a few different types and styles of hides. Mainly just to look at the color, because that's important to her. She felt like she wanted something kind of honey colored, light, something that looked natural, and something that would age well and feel nice. So we're here at Leatherhead here on Bardstown Road, and I'm looking through all the various types of leather. On this project, I'm planning to make a leather tote bag. It's gonna double as a diaper bag because we're having a baby in March. So this is just an early Christmas present and an early baby gift for my wife. As I'm going through this leather, I'm looking for something with a light to medium weight, 4 to 6 ounces. So after going through, I found hides that I thought would fit the bill for this project. So this piece of leather has a lot of character in it. You can see here, this was the brand from the cattle farmer. Sometimes when you're picking out hides, you see indistinct markings and scars all over it, and it just helps tell the story about where this leather came from. So I think we're gonna go with this distressed light oil tanned hide here. It's gonna work perfect. These are my master templates. I'll use each template to make each piece for the bag. I'm gonna cut these out of acrylic on the laser here at first build, and they'll get assembled together by hand stitching. Before I cut any leather, I wanted to make a prototype. I use craft foam, which kind of mimics the feel and texture of leather. It will give me like the creases and folds that I'm looking for, the size of the handles, interior pocket. I've integrated a little key hook in here. It'll have a clasp on the end of it. The bag feels kind of tall, it's kind of square. So I'm gonna make it a little shorter and make it a little bit wider, not too much. My wife likes really nice things, and she likes to keep them for a long time, so I want to make this last for as long as possible. And the cool thing about it is it's something that I made, so if anything ever happens, I can fix it. Traditionally, you would punch these. So now I've cut out all the pieces. Now I've laid them out and how they'll be assembled. I'll be stitching up both sides along this big long seam here, and then I'll be attaching the pocket using the same holes that I used to attach the straps. With this project, I'm just mainly focused on usability and durability. And I'm gluing this seam here to reinforce the stitch line. I'm joining these two pieces together. Now I have to choose the right amount of thread. If you end up choosing not enough, you have to start all the way over. So I think the general rule of thumb is about 3 to 4 times as much thread as the length of the stitch. I'm gonna go 5, because I don't want to mess up. So when you start stitching, just make sure to double stitch your first stitch, and then single stitch the rest, and then double stitch a few holes at the end. And this stitch is done.